Hi, my name is Divakar Singh. I'm working as a data scientist at Blackcoffer for past 1 year. In this project, client was using TypeSense for the search queries. So TypeSense is old and also it is slow for scaling purposes. Also, like it doesn't uh, have that much features. So they were asking the task was simple. We need to switch from TypeSense to Elasticsearch. So we first created a feature query in which we listed all the equivalent features which are in the TypeSense and are equivalent to Elasticsearch, which are available in Elasticsearch. Like uh, research by terms in type sense like this, and in the Elasticsearch query, we do it something like this. So we prepared this whole document with all the limitations and all the features equivalent to the type sense. And after that, we also ingested around 10 million records of from raw data to Elasticsearch. So we first started with the Elasticsearch 7.30 and we ingested the data. Then we upgraded it to 8.13. Then they also wanted to have a lookup queries. So basically, Elasticsearch has a limitation in joins. So we tried, and in 8.18, Elasticsearch has released ESQL joins. So for using that, we need to upgrade it. So we also upgraded it to 8.8. Then now we have the updated Elasticsearch queries. Now, we have ingested all the data and we've used this script. Basically, we created multiple batches and in which uh, because these are 10 million rows, so we can't ingest all the data in a single uh, call. So we created a script, we split it into multiple batches and then ingested one by one, and then we got this much data. And then now we have also implemented the we have upgraded to 8.80 So now we can also use lookup joins by this. Like if I tell this, we are joining two different indices into one, and here it is working like this. Thank you.